How to create a Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you have the Temu application installed on your device. And if not, then go ahead and install the application. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, go ahead and open the Temu application. You will be led to the home page of Temu. Here you will see the sign in option on the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. You will then be led to the login portal of Temu. So, go ahead and enter the email address that you want to create the account with and tap on continue. You can also create your account using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. In today's video, we will sign in using an email address. So, once you have entered your email address, tap on the Continue button. You will further be required to enter a password. So go ahead and create a password and make sure not to use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. Once entered, tap on the Terms and Conditions radio button and finally tap on the Register button. And with this, your Temu account will be created successfully. So, this is how you can create a Temu account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.